Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340. A battery-powered smart doorbell, and its accompanying rechargeable battery pack with USB-C. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340 comes equipped with dual cameras for advanced security. The front-facing camera focuses on people approaching your door, while the downward-facing camera captures the floor in front of your door. This dual-camera setup ensures comprehensive coverage and enhances security. One standout feature of this doorbell is its color night vision. It boasts an industry-first dual light system combined with advanced light capturing and processing algorithms. The result? Less blur in nighttime footage and a clear viewing distance of up to 16 feet even in low light conditions. The Eufy E340 offers 2K clarity, providing crystal clear and detailed visuals of your doorstep. You'll be able to see every detail of anyone who comes to your door, ensuring you never miss an important visitor or package delivery. You have the flexibility to choose between battery mode and wired mode. Battery mode is perfect for easy installation and allows you to keep a spare quick-release battery for quick swaps, avoiding downtime due to charging. Wired mode uses the battery but is continually topped up by the wired power source for long-lasting performance. The Eufy E340 can be paired with your existing Chime or compatible devices like the Eufy Homebase S280. This means you can hear alerts throughout your home, ensuring you never miss a visitor, even if you're not near the door. Included in this bundle is the Eufy Rechargeable Battery Pack with USB-C. It offers a long-lasting backup power with a 6,500 mAh capacity, providing up to 6 months of use on a single charge. Installation and removal are a breeze, thanks to the intuitive clasp. And it can be charged with the same USB-C cable you use for other devices. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340, paired with a rechargeable battery pack, offers a comprehensive and reliable home security solution. With dual cameras, color night vision, 2K Full HD clarity, and flexible power options, it ensures your home is well protected. Don't miss out on this bundle that saves you $30 compared to buying the items separately. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this product, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.